Marines I-5 live fire misfire sparks political clash. California officials demand answers. A live-fire artillery demonstration meant to mark the Marine Corps' 250th anniversary turned into a political flashpoint after a shell misfired over Interstate 5 near Camp Pendleton, scattering shrapnel onto the highway and striking two California Highway Patrol vehicles. Vice President J.D. Vance and Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth were present for the event, which involved 60 artillery rounds fired from M777 howitzers on a beach west of the freeway. At 1:46 p.m. the first round failed to clear the roadway, detonating mid-flight and sending metal fragments toward protective details assigned to the vice president. CHP officers reported hearing a pebble-like sound on a BMW motorcycle and discovering shrapnel dents on a patrol car hood. While no one was injured, the incident prompted an immediate halt to the exercise and a flurry of criticism from California's elected officials. Representative Mike Levin, a Democrat from San Clemente, Carlsbad, expressed disappointment that public safety was compromised for a celebratory display. He spearheaded a letter, signed by 26 members of Congress and both state senators, demanding answers from Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth about who authorized live artillery over a public highway and what safety protocols were in place. The mishap intensified existing tensions between President Donald Trump's administration and California leaders, including Governor Gavin Newsom. Republicans accused Newsom of politicizing the closure, while others argued the demonstration was a partisan stunt benefiting Trump-aligned officials. The Marine Corps, which usually conducts live-fire training on designated ranges within its 125,000-acre base, acknowledged the rarity of firing over an active freeway. CHP Chief Tony Coronado emphasized the responsibility to protect Californians, and the department called for a thorough review of intergovernmental coordination and planning. The Marine Corps has launched its own investigation, and the Washington Post reported that the agency is assessing the incident. Traffic on I-5 was halted for nearly an hour, disrupting commuters and prompting criticism from local residents who are accustomed to military noise but not to live fire over a civilian corridor. Newsom later framed the closure as a show of force intended to intimidate Trump supporters at nearby No Kings protests, a claim that drew rebuke from Republican Rep. Darrell Issa, who labeled the shutdown a spiteful publicity stunt. Levin vowed to use